Hi everyone, this is Guangzhou AOMA Biological Technology Co Limited. Next, let us answer the questions about the list below from viewers. OTESALY list fillers are injectable treatments, typically made of hyaluronic acid, designed to add value, shade, and hydration to the list, which can enhance list firmness and can smooth out fine lines along the mouth. Guangzhou AOMA Biological Technology Co Limited supplies OTESALY 1 million 2 million tons list fillers, which can last between 9 to 12 months, according to our 21 years clients' feedback. Regular touch-ups are recommended to maintain your desired look. Yes, many clients see immediate results, but keep in mind that wearing may temporarily enhance the value. The final results will be set after a few days as the wearing subsides. Before your appointment, avoid blood thinners such as aspirin, alcohol, and certain supplements like fish oil for at least a week, which can help reduce the risk of bruising. OTESALY 1 million 2 million tons hyaluronic acid filler is Guangzhou AOMA Biological Technology Co Limited's recently hot sales. According to the feedback from our 21 years customers, the products can last for 9 to 12 months. Feel free to contact us if you need these fillers. Guangzhou AOMA Biological Technology Co Limited is one of the first 10 factories to produce sodium hyaluronic gel in the world. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.